guys, what's up? It's your girl Curly Bae and I'm back with you again with another video. So if this is your first time coming to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as notification bell so you can be the first to know whenever we got new YouTube videos. And if you're returning Curlfrans, welcome back. Now guys, you see this hairstyle? Like, y'all can't tell me nothing. I saw these and I was like, oh my god, like I have to do a cute hairstyle. So I was looking up like cute hairstyles on Instagram and I just like came up with this. You guys, this is like, you don't even understand the dopeness of this. Like, it's so dope. So first, you know, I got these, but I want to know, like, what do you guys call them when you were growing up? I know I wasn't allowed to wear these as a kid, just because my mom always said that my hair, it would break your hair off, so I never wore these. But if she only knew that you didn't use these to tie your hair, you use a regular ponytail and then put these around, then she'd understand. But yeah, like, man, this style is so cute. I think I'm gonna have it like for a couple of days, even though I got this 14-day quarantine. Oh yeah, by the way, today is day 5, day 4, 5. Oh my god, I'm going crazy in this house. I have like a couple other videos I did in between, but I just didn't really care for it, so I don't know if I'm gonna upload it or not. Maybe in the future when I become famous or something. But yeah guys, I like you, thank you guys so much for taking part in the polls. I know it's pretty fun. So let's do like a color poll. Like bright colors, or do you like neutral dark colors? Put that in the poll up ahead. Let me know what you think. I'm trying to do more things with my makeup. I don't have that many makeup palettes or different colors, but I'm gonna try a little something and do something new every time. Yeah, I'm not sure why my makeup is like, it's like whenever I do my makeup, my skin starts to break out really bad. So I'm thinking maybe it's the way I clean my brushes, because I noticed that my brushes are still super pigmented even after I wash them. And I don't know, I don't feel comfortable about that. You know, my skin is breaking out more because I'm wearing more makeup, but not only that, it's just like I feel like it's the tools that I'm using too. So if you guys could recommend a really good brush cleaner or a really good technique and a better way to clean my brushes, then let me know down below as well. Anyway guys, I want to show you guys this quick look. Stay tuned for day 5. Let's go. 30 seconds is a lot longer when you have your hair in hot water. So as I wait for this to like somewhat dry, I am going to do my makeup and I'll be right back. These are not even dry yet. No! So cute! I definitely would not be able to do this on my natural ass hair. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, I'm gonna always ask you, what should I do next? What would be the next hair video that you'd want to see? I really am digging this style though. Like, I want to keep it for a couple days. Like, y'all can't tell me nothing, and I did it myself. Yeah, and I like these bobos. Like, my mom never used to allow me to wear these, so I'm really hyped that I'm back to being an adult and now I can do whatever the fuck I want. Alright, so guys, I don't have nothing else to say, so remember to dream big, take chances, be fabulous, and never stop learning. We are Curly Bae. Pistols.